quick video, quick sound check before I change the can over. The can is currently this one, which is the stock can with the DB killer removed, and then I've got the Black Widow decat pipe on there, which is in there. Nice shiny, it's got a goldy colour, looks quite nice. So yeah, we're going to change that can over to the new Chinese Akrapovic copy, but before I do that I wanted you to hear it for a quick comparison. I'm going to put it here as if you were riding it. That's pretty bloody loud, that's me talking normal talking voice. So we're going to put this bad boy on. So this is the Chinese Akrapovic copy with that link pipe there. It even comes with an Akrapovic sticker in the packet, which I was quite shocked at. I thought it would just have it in the advertising, but it's actually got the sticker in the pack. It's obviously not going on. I'm not that chavvy. The exhaust has been changed over for the new, whatever this is, Chinese copy, but as you can see it's a little bit wibbly wobbly in there because the original coupler doesn't fit properly. I'm going to try and put the springs on, but this is what it sounds like. Ready?